What is up, everybody? I'm Acoustic Ability, and today we are going to wrap a big ass hole, and it starts now. This is what I'm dealing with. So whoever tried to put all sorts of weird patches in this, it finally blew loose. Instead of having a straight through muffler, now I have a muffler that creates back pressure, and obviously the weak spot in this was this gigantic hole the size of a vagina. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taking this heat wrap and we're going to take and use this to patch it over. Now inside the pack we actually have the fiberfix patching, which comes in a roll which is sealed. We have obviously gloves, extra wrapping tape, instructions, and one little tiny piece of sandpaper, because that's going to work on all of that. So basically I'm just freeing up all this. Does it even matter? Crap. Now this is the funny thing. They advertise 1 hour when you get it, but that's if you're going to be rocking it at 850 degrees to cure. And I don't know about you, but I don't have anything that's going to be 850 degrees. What I am going to do is I'm going to take and patch something over this to try to help hold it together. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just fold this up as just a nice thick little piece of resistance against the gas pressure going through there. It's not actually meant to be structurally sound, it is just to help hold. This also cuts down on your prep time as well too. A lot of you are probably going to be like, you are retarded, but you got to remember, when shit gets real, we improvise. Ooh, that's looking sexy in there, isn't it? So this is the wrap that they give you, and I do like the feel of it. It actually feels like it's a pliable wrap rather than it being flimsy. I squeeze it a little bit. Work the water in. Squeeze the excess water out and proceed to start wrapping. Look at that. Doesn't that just look a hell of a lot better as a ceramic wrap and or heat wrap? Now, I don't know if you guys have used this before. Maybe you have. Leave a comment below. Let me know how it worked out for you. But on this one, I am going to bring myself back early. I'm just going over the edge of this one, and I'm going to concentrate right there where that hole is, because that is going to be the main problem. There we go. So we're done with the messy section, and you'll notice down there that it's already starting to come off. That is why they gave us this, which I find absolutely useless. Now if you look at it, you'll notice that there's quite a lot of fibers in this, so it appears that it would be meant for heat. It does not bend around angles at all. But as long as it holds that in place, I am not going to complain. They don't really give you a huge hell of a lot. And for me, I look at it this way. I would much rather have it rigid, where I need it to be, than not have anything there to help out. It feels solid already, and it hasn't even cured. I mean, look at the edges. They are on there, and I'm very happy with the way it looks. It feels solid. But we're gonna find out. Obviously, if you don't follow my channel, this is off of a Z31, an 87-300ZX. This is my aftermarket over axle pipe. I'm gonna need at least an hour to let it start curing before I try to put it back on the car. So at the end of the day, the stuff works great. I left the cure for about 2 hours on its own in ambient temperature, put it on, and I'm going to let it all finish out with the exhaust gases. Obviously you can hear that the exhaust is coming out the back. As I said before, make sure you hit that sub button to support small creators like myself, and I hope to see you all in the grind.